The electrification scope of the South Link Line Railway is divided into the Pingtung Line and the South Link Line, with a total length of 123.4 kilometers. The Pingtung Line electrification extends northward from Chaozhou Station to Fangliao Station, covering approximately 25.2 kilometers, while the South Link Line electrification extends westward from Fangliao Station to Taitung Station, spanning approximately 98.2 kilometers. The Chaozhou to Fangliao section includes the electrification of the railway from Chaozhou Station to Fangliao Station, the double tracking between Nanzhou Station and Linbian Station, the reconstruction of Niupu River Bridge and Beishi River Bridge, as well as station improvement works. The Fangliao to Taitung section includes the electrification of the railway between Fangliao Station and Zhiben Station, the realignment of the Duoliang section, the construction of a new Lijia River Bridge, the establishment of Neishi and Dawu substations, station improvement works, and slope protection works. The electrification of Taiwan's railway system began in 1971 as part of the 10 major construction projects. In 1979, the electrification of the Western Trunk Line was completed, making it the first to provide fast intercity electrified transportation. Subsequent electrification projects were gradually completed, with the Kaohsiung-Pingtung section opening in 1998, the Yilan Line in 2000, the North Link Line in 2003, the Taitung Line in 2014, and the Pingtung-Chaozhou section in 2015. The electrification of the railway between Chaozhou Station and Zhiben Station on the South Link Line marked the final step in completing the island-wide railway electrification network. The South Link Line electrification project is divided into the Chaozhou-Fangliao section of the Pingtung Line and the South Link Line section. Between Chaozhou Station and Canting Station, there is the Lijia River Bridge. Between Canting Station and Nanzhou Station, there is the Chaozhou River Bridge. Between Nanzhou Station and Zhiben Station, there is the Niupu River Bridge. The railway between Nanzhou Station and Linbian Station is double-tracked and electrified. Between Linbian Station and Taitung Station, there is the Linbian River Bridge. Between Donghai Station and Fangliao Station, there is the Beishi River Bridge. The South Link Line Railway is characterized by its continuous sequence of tunnels and bridges, allowing trains to traverse the Central Mountain Range. Between Fangliao Station and Jiaolu Station, there are the Fangliao Overpass on Provincial Highway 1 and Shuimeng River Bridge. Between Jiaolu Station and Neishi Station, there is the Jiahe Tunnel and Nanqihu River Bridge. The Jiahe Tunnel was constructed as a protective railway tunnel to shield trains from potential artillery strikes, making it the only railway structure of its kind in Taiwan. Between Neishi Station and Fangshan Station, there are the Neishi Tunnel, Fangdian No. 1 Tunnel, and Fangdian No. 2 Tunnel. Fangshan Station is the southernmost railway station in Taiwan. Between Fangshan Station and Fangliao Station, there are Fangshan No. 1 Tunnel, Fangshan No. 2 Tunnel, Fangshan No. 3 Tunnel, Fangshan No. 4 Tunnel, Fangshan No. 5 Tunnel, Ashaiwan River Bridge, and Fangliao No. 1 Tunnel. Between Fangliao Station and Central Signal Station, there are Fangliao No. 2 Tunnel, Fangliao No. 2 Bridge, and Fangliao No. 3 Tunnel. Between Central Signal Station, Puan Signal Station and Guzhuang Signal Station. This section is the only double-tracked electrified railway on the South Link Line. It includes Central Tunnel, Anshuaxi Bridge, Puan Tunnel, Anshua Tunnel, Guzhuang No. 1 Tunnel, Guzhuang No. 2 Tunnel, and Guzhuang No. 3 Tunnel. Central Tunnel is the second longest railway tunnel in Taiwan, and the longest tunnel on the South Link Line, while Anshua Tunnel is the fourth longest. Between Guzhuang Signal Station and Dawu Station, there are Guzhuang No. 4 Tunnel, Guzhuang No. 5 Tunnel, Guzhuang No. 6 Tunnel, Guzhuang No. 7 Tunnel, Dawu No. 1 Tunnel, and Dawu River Bridge. Between Dawu Station and Fushan Signal Station, there are Dawu No. 2 Tunnel, Wuwan River Bridge, Dainio Tunnel, Jiajinlan River Bridge, and Jiajinlan Tunnel. Between Fushan Signal Station and Longxi Station, there are Fushan Tunnel, Dazhu No. 1 Tunnel, and Dazhu River Bridge. Between Longxi Station and Duoliang Station, there are Dazhu No. 2 Tunnel, Dazhu No. 3 Tunnel, and new Duoliang No. 1 Tunnel. The new Duoliang No. 1 tunnel was newly constructed as part of the electrification project to replace 3 previous tunnels, Longxi, Dazhu No. 4, and Duoliang No. 1. Between Duoliang Station and Jinluan Station, there are Duoliang No. 2-1 Tunnel, Duoliang No. 2 Tunnel, and Jinluan River Bridge. Between Jinluan Station and Taimali Station, there are Jinluan Tunnel, Xiangluan Tunnel, and Taimali River Bridge. Between Taimali Station and Zhiben Station, there are Wenli River Bridge, Xinji Tunnel, Huiyuan No. 5 Bridge on Provincial Highway 9, Zhiben River Bridge, and Zhiben Overpass on Provincial Highway 11. Between Zhiben Station and Kangal Station, there is the Lijia River Bridge. Between Kangal Station and Taitung Station, there are Zhongxing Overpass on Provincial Highway 9 and Taiping River Bridge. The station improvement project along the Pingtung Line was carried out alongside railway electrification between Chaozhou Station and Fangliao Station. The stations that underwent upgrades include Taitung Station, Nanzhou Station, Zhiben Station, Linbian Station, Jiadong Station, Donghai Station, and Fangliao Station. The improvements involved track upgrades, platform elevation, platform extension, and the installation of accessible elevators at some stations. As part of the Pingtung Line electrification project, the 6.8-kilometer railway section between Nanzhou Station and Linbian Station was expanded to double track, increasing transportation capacity in this bottleneck section. The Niupu River Bridge is located 900 meters north of Zhiben Station. To accommodate the double tracking project between Nanzhou Station and Linbian Station, the bridge was reconstructed using a phased construction method. The project first involved the construction of a new single-track pre-stressed concrete bridge on the East Main Line. Once the existing track was shifted onto the new bridge, the old steel girder bridge was dismantled, and a new pre-stressed concrete bridge was built in its place on the West Main Line. The reconstruction work included relocating electromechanical systems, rebuilding the bridge and embankment sections, and ensuring structural upgrades. After the reconstruction, the Niupu River Bridge now spans 106 meters, featuring a 3-span continuous pre-stressed U-girder design, making it the largest U-girder railway bridge span in Taiwan. The Beishi River Bridge is located at the northern end of Fangliao Station. The original bridge was 50 meters long. Due to land constraints and track switch configurations at Fangliao Station, the reconstruction project adopted the side launching method, marking its first-ever application in Taiwan's railway engineering. The process involved constructing a temporary steel trestle and support structures on the Beishi River riverbed beside the operational tracks. The steel bridge components were then hoisted and assembled on these temporary supports before being incrementally launched into position. Following reconstruction, the new steel bridge spans 76 meters, with a total length of 77.5 meters and no piers in the riverbed. The total weight, including the steel bridge and tracks, is approximately 2,100 metric tons. The Pingtung Line electrification project, covering the 25.2-kilometer section from Chaozhou Station to Fangliao Station, commenced on November 16, 2014. The project involved the installation of power pole foundations, poles, cable ducts, and catenary wires, along with the deployment of electromechanical facilities and telecommunications equipment at each station. The electrification work was completed and officially opened for service on December 20, 2019. The station improvement project along the South Link Line was carried out in conjunction with the electrification of the railway between Fangliao Station and Zhiben Station. Stations that underwent significant upgrades and facility enhancements include Chaozhou Station, Neishi Station, Fangshan Station, Fangliao Station, Guzhuang Station, Dao Station, Longxi Station, Jinluan Station, Taimali Station, Zhiben Station, and Kangal Station. Additionally, to meet operational demands, platform extensions were implemented at Dao Station, Taimali Station, and Zhiben Station. As part of the South Link Line railway electrification project, the Duoliang No. 1 tunnel was found to have insufficient clearance, making it incompatible with electrification requirements. Consequently, a partial realignment was carried out on the seaward side of the existing tunnel. The total length of the Duoliang realignment section is approximately 2.9 kilometers, featuring 2 bridges and a short tunnel. The bridge structures adopt a 3-span continuous beam design. This design minimizes beam depth and avoids excessive excavation of the mountainside. The bridge foundations were constructed using caisson foundations combined with bamboo pile construction techniques, serving both as excavation control and retaining structures to prevent large-scale hillside cutting. For track structure, both the bridge and tunnel sections utilize ballastless slab tracks with elastic base plates, facilitating long-term operational management. The Duoliang realignment section was officially opened on May 28, 2020. This segment runs parallel to Provincial Highway 9, offering passengers a stunning view of the vast Pacific Ocean through their windows. With the railway and highway winding through the mountains and coastline, this section has been acclaimed as the most beautiful railway in Taiwan. The Lijia River Bridge on the Taiwan Railway system spans 418 meters, crossing the Lijia River between Zhiben Station and Fangliao Station. The Lijia River, classified as an erosion-prone river under Taitung County's jurisdiction, has long caused severe scouring, exposing the bridge foundations, with the most critical areas exceeding 10 meters of erosion. To address this issue, a partial realignment was approved in November 2016, leading to the construction of a new double-track bridge. The total length of this realigned section is approximately 1.5 kilometers, with the new Lijia River Bridge spanning 455 meters. The bridge features 10 spans, each measuring 40.5 meters, to cross the Lijia River. Due to height restrictions from both embankments and the adjacent level crossing, a U-shaped girder underdeck bridge design was adopted. Given the Lijia River's high erosion potential, pile foundations were used for structural stability. The track system employs ballastless slab tracks with elastic base plates, which are easier to maintain. Additionally, reinforced tracks were incorporated at the interface transitions to prevent sudden changes in vertical stiffness, ensuring passenger comfort and operational safety. The new Lijia River Bridge was officially switched into service on March 25, 2021. Currently, it operates as a single-track bridge, with space reserved for future double-track operations. As part of the South Link Line Railway Electrification project, the Neishi substation and Dawu substation were newly constructed. The design of both substations incorporated energy-saving, water-saving, greening, and landscaping features, adhering to green building standards. The substations operate at 3 voltage levels, 161 kV, 69 kV, and 25 kV. All relays are equipped with intelligent electronic devices, enabling automatic power restoration after a fault trip. Additionally, these relays are integrated into the Taipei Main Control Center's power dispatch system via monitoring equipment and an island-wide fiber optic transmission network, allowing for centralized monitoring and remote operation control. Before implementing the electrification project, safety inspections and evaluations were conducted on embankments, cuttings, and slope-retaining structures. Reinforcement measures were carried out to stabilize deformed or loosened slopes along the railway. Additionally, long-term safety monitoring systems were installed on slopes identified as having potential geological hazards. Based on monitoring data and investigation results, protective reinforcements and retaining structures were further strengthened as needed to enhance railway safety. The electrification of the railway between Fangliao Station and Zhiben Station began on November 16, 2014, covering a total length of 86.5 kilometers. The project involved the installation of power pole foundations, poles, cable ducts, and catenary wires along the route. Between Central Signal Station and Guzhuang Signal Station, a 16.8-kilometer double-track railway section was already in place, therefore, double-track catenary systems were installed. The entire electrification project was completed and officially opened for service on December 20, 2020. The electrification of the Pingtung Line and South Link Line between Chaozhou Station and Zhiben Station passes through 19 stations, including signal stations, as well as numerous tunnels. The following is a selection of key stations and tunnels along the route. Chaozhou Station is located in Chaozhou Township, Pingtung County. Originally named Chaozhou, it was first established in 1920. In June 2013, the station was redeveloped into an elevated station, and in 2019, with the completion of the South Link Line railway electrification project, the Chaozhou to Fangliao section was electrified and opened for service. The first floor of the station features entrances, a taxi stand, a ticketing office, automatic ticket vending machines, automatic fare gates, and a shopping arcade operated by Pacific Department Store. The second floor serves as the platform level, consisting of 3 island platforms. Located south of Chaozhou Station, Chaozhou Depot was officially commissioned on October 15, 2015. Its primary function is the maintenance and repair of various non-powered passenger and freight cars for Taiwan Railways. As the largest rolling stock maintenance facility in southern Taiwan, Chaozhou Depot ranks alongside Fugang Depot and Hualien Depot as one of the 3 major railway depots in Taiwan. Additionally, it serves as a key hub for the manufacturing and supply of maintenance parts and materials. Fangliao Station is located in Fangliao Township, Pingtung County, and was commissioned in December 1941. It is a ground-level station with 2 island platforms, serving as the junction between the Pingtung Line and the South Link Line. Fangliao is the terminal station of the Pingtung Line and the starting point of the South Link Line leading toward Taitung. The station features a ticket office, ticket gates, a station hall, retail shops, a train control room, and a baggage room. Notably, the station seating is designed in the shape of wax apples, reflecting the local agricultural identity. Chaozhou Station is located in Fangshan Township, Pingtung County, and was established in October 1992. Originally serving military transportation and vehicle transfers, the station occupies a vast area but has relatively low passenger usage, earning it the nickname the largest small station. Chaozhou Station is also one of the few stations that still sell traditional nameplate-style tickets. Passengers can purchase the Chaozhou Donghai Lucky Ticket, symbolizing career advancement and blessings as vast as the East China Sea. The station is a ground-level station with 2 island platforms, connected by an underground passage. Jiahe Tunnel is located between Chaozhou Station and Neishi Station in Fangshan Township, Pingtung County. It is a pseudo-tunnel, measuring 1,180 meters in length, and was completed in September 1991. The shelter was constructed to prevent accidental shelling by the military, and its structure was reinforced for protection. It is the only tunnel in Taiwan's railway system built on flat terrain. Central Tunnel is a railway tunnel under the Taiwan Railways Administration, located between Central Signal Station and the Naudafeng Puwen Signal Station on the South Link Line. Named after Caliufan Mountain, which forms the tail end of the Central Mountain Range, it serves as a crucial railway connection between western and eastern Taiwan. Construction of the tunnel began in March 1984, contracted to Retired Servicemen Engineering Agency, and built using the new Austrian tunneling method. The tunnel was completed in August 1991, with a total length of 8,070 meters. Geographically, the western entrance of Central Tunnel is located in Shizhi Township, Pingtung County, where Central Signal Station is situated. Upon entering the tunnel, the railway gradually ascends at a 2 per thousand gradient, passing in a straight line through Caliufan Mountain. The highest point of the entire South Link Line is reached within the tunnel, after which the railway descends at an 8 per thousand gradient toward the eastern exit in Darin Township, Taitung County. Shortly after exiting the tunnel, the abandoned Puwen Signal Station can be found nearby. Puwen Signal Station was commissioned in October 1992, located approximately 8 kilometers from both Central Signal Station and Guzhuang Station. It was originally designed to serve as a passing loop for the single-track South Link Line. However, during the construction of the South Link Line, the Central Signal Station, Central Tunnel, and Guzhuang Station sections were redesigned as a double-track railway, eliminating the need for PU and signal stations passing function. As a result, although the station structure was nearly completed, it was decommissioned before the South Link Line even began operation. Today, only the relay room remains, supplying power for railway signaling operations. Taimali Station is located in Taimali Township, Taitung County, and is a railway station on the South Link Line under the Taiwan Railways Administration. The main station building was completed in 1987, constructed as a two-story reinforced concrete structure. It features 2 island platforms. As part of the South Link Line electrification project, daylily flower motifs were incorporated into the platform canopy design, reflecting the local landscape and enhancing the passenger experience. The station also offers commemorative railway stamps, including the Railway Journey Small Station Tour Commemorative Stamp and Railway Travel Happiness and Beauty 111, allowing travelers to create unique souvenirs. Additionally, the Sunrise Avenue in front of the station serves as a popular scenic spot. The electrification of the South Link Line represents the final step in completing Taiwan's island-wide railway electrification project. Given the remote location of this railway section, with no road access, and the need to maintain normal train operations throughout the electrification process, construction teams faced significant challenges. Work could only be carried out at night after train services had ceased, adding to the complexity of the project under multiple external constraints. With the completion of the South Link Line electrification, travel time between Kaohsiung and Taitung has been significantly reduced, alleviating road congestion and greatly improving external transportation connectivity for Taitung. This enhancement is expected to boost regional industrial development and economic growth. As we enjoy the convenience of modern railway transportation, we must remember the dedicated efforts of the engineers and workers who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make this achievement possible. Let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to these great engineers for their selfless contributions.